The Renin-Angiotensin System is a hormone system that regulates sodium and water balance to keep and help maintain blood pressure homeostasis. The process begins when there is a decrease in systemic blood pressure or blood volume that causes the granular cells of the juxtaglomerular apparatus located in the kidney to dilate and secrete an enzyme called renin. Renin begins the system by cleaving a protein produced by the liver known as angiotensinogen. When this protein is cleaved, it yields angiotensin 1, which is then further catalyzed into angiotensin 2 by angiotensin converting enzyme, or ACE, and this reaction primarily happens within the capillaries of the lungs. Once angiotensin 2 is produced, it can have many targets, primarily the adrenal gland, systemic arterioles, and the brain. Angiotensin 2 itself is a very powerful vasoconstrictor, which will target the systemic arterioles and cause an increase in total peripheral resistance, which in turn causes an increase in blood pressure. Angiotensin 2 can also target the adrenal gland, specifically the zona glomerulosa of the adrenal cortex, and cause the secretion of the hormone aldosterone. Additionally, angiotensin 2 can target the hypothalamic region of the brain, specifically the posterior pituitary gland, and increase its secretion of antidiuretic hormone, also known as ADH or vasopressin. Both of these hormones will target the kidneys in different areas, but it will promote the same overall result. Aldosterone will specifically target the distal convoluted tubule of the kidney to increase sodium reabsorption while simultaneously promoting potassium excretion, because as one goes in, the other one goes out. Water will naturally follow the concentration of sodium, therefore increasing blood volume as well as blood pressure. As for the antidiuretic hormone, it will specifically target the increased water reabsorption of the collecting ducts. So this specifically focuses on water reabsorption, whereas aldosterone focuses on sodium reabsorption, but both of them ultimately increase in water collection, therefore increasing blood volume and increasing blood pressure.